Hello, I'm Christine, and I'm from the Edmonton Public Library, and this is a story of the One Dog Canoe by Mary Casanova. I set off one morning in my little red canoe. My dog wagged his tail. "Arr, arr, arr. Can I come too?" "Oh, you bet," I said. "A trip for two. Just me and you." And I dipped in my paddle into ribbons of blue. The beaver stopped chewing. "Oh, can I come too?" "Oh, there's not much room. It's a one-dog canoe." But with a slap and a swim, Beaver scrambled in. I swished past the ferns and where the dragonflies flew. Then Loon stretched out her wings. "Hoo-hoo, can I come too? Hoo-hoo." "I doubt you'll fit in," I said. "It's a one beaver, one dog canoe." But with a hoo-hoo-hoo and a flap, then Loon lifted up and landed on the tip of my boat. Then suddenly we glided through the silver webs of dew, and Wolf, ho, peered out from the pines. "Can I come too?" "Maybe next time. It's a one loon, one beaver, one dog canoe." But like an arrow, bing, through the wind, Wolf bounded in. "Oh, oh!" Still I paddled the little red canoe, and Bear slid down the tree. "Hey, can I come too?" "Oh, we're pretty darn full. We're one wolf, one loon, one beaver, one dog canoe." But with a grunt and a thump and a ka-thump, Bear, dropped in, boom, with a thump. I J-stroked and C-stroked. What else could I do? Then Moose lifted his head. "Oh, can I come too?" "Oh, you'll do us in. It's a one bear, one wolf, one loon, one beaver, one dog canoe." But with a toss of his rack, the Moose climbed on in the back. We teetered, we tottered, I glared at my crew. Then Frog, ribbit, ribbit, hopped onto a rock and said, "Ribbit, can I come too?" "Oh, Frog, can't you see?" I said. "It's a one moose, one bear, one wolf, one loon, one beaver, one dog canoe." But with a leap and a plop and a swoosh and a flop, he jumped in and we spluttered and splashed and we swam to the shore and we sputtered and splashed until we all came ashore. There's Frog. "Oh," I said, as I moved up onto the bank with my little dog. And Beaver said, "Sorry, we should have listened to you. I guess you were right. It is a one-dog canoe." I started to grin. "That's okay. We had a good swim." Then, after we bailed out my vessel, I got back on board. And my vessel was dry, and with a push and a swoosh and a glide, we all waved goodbye, goodbye. And that was the story of the One Dog Canoe by Mary Casanova. And go to epl.ca for more stories, and go to EPL from home. Thank you.